Want to stay on top of your ad campaigns on X? Here's how to enable real-time notifications. Start by opening the X app on your smartphone. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area. Next, tap on Notifications to manage how and when you receive alerts. Inside this menu, choose Preferences and then tap on Push Notifications. Scroll through the list of options until you see Ads Campaigns. If the toggle next to it is off, grey, tap it once to turn it on. When it turns blue or becomes highlighted, that means you'll start receiving push notifications for any updates or activity related to your advertising campaigns. And that's all there is to it. Now you won't miss a beat when it comes to managing your ads on X. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more social media tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.